Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor and the faculty recruitment notifications from the multiple colleges. So from the State University Affiliated College and from the State University and from the Central University or the Institute. So from these multiple colleges here I am going to show you the different recruitment notifications, guys. And whoever the candidates belongs to those subjects, so it will be the wonderful opportunity, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments or the subjects or specializations. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subject in the comment section. So if I got the recruitment notification based upon your requirement, then definitely I will come up in the next video. And to get all my videos as a notifications to your devices, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the three different colleges recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET Electronic Science examination in the month of October 2021. Here the Unacademy is providing the paper 1 and paper 2 complete course as well as the MCQ course and the class PDFs you can download, test series and the doubt clearing sessions. Okay, so you may take the subscription plan, that the link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. And you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. And if you want to contact me personally regarding this one, in the description box the Telegram link is also kept, so you may find out, guys. Coming to the present content of the video, here first we will see the State University, that is the Bangalore University. So from this one, in its official website, here we got the recruitment notification regarding the guest faculty that you may check down here. So notification to invite the application forms from the eligible candidates to work as a guest faculty in the various subjects in University Law College. Okay, even though they mentioned as a University Law College, but for different departments here the vacancies are there that you may check down. So it is the official notification from the Bangalore University released on 20th September 2021. And here the applications for full-time or part-time guest faculties in Law, Kannada, English, Political Science, Sociology and Economics are invited to teach at University Law College and Department of Studies in Law, Bangalore University for the academic year 2021 to 22. Actually, I got the different comments to mention the subjects, requirement for the subjects of Political Science and Economics. So based upon this one, I searched this vacancy, guys, this recruitment notification. So if it is useful, then please utilize, or else we will see in the different recruitment notifications from the multiple colleges. Okay. So interested candidates having master's degree in the respective subjects as per the UGC or BCA rules are requested to submit their application in prescribed form downloading the university website along with the copy of relevant documents to the Principal University Law College, Bangalore University on or before 27/9/2021. Okay. And I will provide this link in the description box of this video. That means the official university website. So in this website, you just go to this one and they will be directed to this PDF, guys. And here you may check down the date of interview, online or offline, will be intimated to the eligible candidates. For more details, candidates may contact the principal. Okay, and next coming to the application form, here itself the application form is there. So download this one and take the printout of this one and fill up the form, and whatever the procedure is there, just you have to do the procedure and then send the application form. Okay, so these are the details you have to fill up, okay, while filling up of this application form. Okay, and the last date, once again I am telling that 27 September 2021. So it is a recruitment notification from the Bangalore University. And coming to the Central University or the Central Institute, it is the Eastern Regional Language Center. So the different branches are there, and the recruitment notification came from the Bhubaneswar branch. And here the virtual interview, that means online interview, will be there for engagement of the position of guest lecturers in Odia, Bengali, Maithili and Santali in Eastern Regional Language Center, Bhubaneswar, on purely temporary basis will be held at the ERLC Lakshmi Sagar, Bhubaneswar on 25th September 2021 from morning 11 o'clock onwards. The interested candidates may attend this walk-in interview. And coming to the essential qualifications, master's degree in linguistics or applied linguistics having studied in the concerned languages, that is Odia, Bengali or Maithili or Santali, as a mother tongue in secondary and higher secondary level, or master's degree in the concerned languages from a recognized university with 55% of marks, and having the PhD or MPhil or NET or SLET, and proficiency in Hindi or English. And the desirable experience are also mentioned here, so please check down. And the maximum age limit is 70 years, and every day 1,000 rupees per working day, maximum up to 25,000 rupees per month. So interested candidates may send their required documents of their qualifications and biodata to this provided mail ID by 23 September 2021. Eligible candidates will be invited for the virtual interview through Google Meet. And the selected candidates have to submit their original testimonials along with one set of self-attested copies of the same to the center before joining. Fine. And next one, it is affiliated college which is affiliated to University of Mumbai, St. John College of Humanities and Sciences. So applications are invited for assistant professor visiting or clock hour basis for the subjects accounts, economics, financial management, mathematics, English, chemistry, physics and botany. Qualifications as per the University of Mumbai norms. Okay, so application should reach the chairman, St. John College of Humanities and Sciences, technical campus, okay, or by email. Better to send through email, guys. office@sjchs.edu.in within 10 days. Fine. So total, these are the different recruitment notifications from the State University Affiliated College and the Central Institute and the State University. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. If your subjects are not covered here, then please mention your subject in the comment section. Then if I got the recruitment notification, definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my videos as a notifications to your devices, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you must stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay,